Well, aloha, Michelle. Aloha, everybody. This is a seriously... Whoa! Hi, Luna. You think we're going up the trail, but we're not. We're going over here. We're going up to the tent. And I have to hold a light. And Luna, you coming with? Can you see her back there? Come on, Luna. She usually comes along. Anyway, here we're going up to the tent because the people that were going to use the tent tonight decided to change their mind. They'll maybe be here tomorrow night. So I just came to turn off the lights. I'm going to go walk with Miss Luna. So, these are the Christmas lights that are on the tent. And I'm going to come back one day and show you a little bit more about this special little place. So, yeah. Luna, where are you, girl? Come on, let's go for a walk. You usually do this a couple, oops, I'm undecisive. A couple times a night. She needs a good little walk around that gets her excited. And then she's my jungle cat, Luna. So Luna, okay, she'll find me. Anyway, I know I'm doing this fast. This is really testy. See, bamboo, walking down the trail, road. There's the house. Bamboo Grove. Hopefully I'm not walking too fast. And back on the trail. Come on, Luna. Come on, girl. Come on. Where are you? She'll probably come tearing past me pretty quick. Luna, what's your deal? You're the one that wanted to go for the walk. Where are you? Oh, I see eyeballs. Here she comes. Here she comes. All you can see is eyeballs. And she's gonna run past me. There you are, girl. Hi. Did you have a good run? Your eyeballs look so cute, bouncing up and down. Ah, there she goes again. She just thinks she has to play. Yeah, this is a nightly thing around here. Yeah, she likes to play. What do you think, Luna? What do you think? Okay. Well, I'm not going that way. Over here. Okay. I need to walk past this, and again, I'm probably going way too fast. And it's at night, so there's not a heck of a lot to see. But I thought I'd let Luna join with us. Luna, you coming? Okay, I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going on the walk without you. What are you gonna do? Do other people talk like this to their cats? Is it just me? Because she's a jungle cat? You know, leave me a comment. Subscribe. Try to keep doing this every night. Take you on the walks. The adventures that happen at night in Maui, which actually aren't a whole heck of a lot. Cobwebs. They can be dangerous. Hey, Luna. Luna. Where are you? Well, might be doing a fire soon. It's been really windy. Got a lot of trees down. Oh, palm over the cots. That's more popular during the winter. Oh, you better stick down. Little girl, where are you? There you are. I thought you'd catch up to me. Yeah, come here. Oh, you just need so much attention. Does everybody out there need attention like this? Their cat? She's just purring. She's like, oh, I got the life. In here. She likes being in the dirt. Thank goodness she's a black cat. Oh, she'd be dirty. Okay, Luna. Come on, we've got just one more go around. Can you make it? Are you gonna say that's it? That's it? Okay. Cat in the forest. Oh, changes her mind. Come on, let's go. You wanna lead? Yeah, maybe? Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go see what's going on up here. She climbed one of these trees the other night and kind of was asking me to get her down. I thought, are you crazy, cat? Whew. Hey, eyeballs. Oh, I can see your eyeballs, you know. There you are. What do you think? I know the plants are they're starting to grow. Had a lot of water. What do you think? Anyway, that's what the tent looks like, and a little bathroom. Brush made of bamboo. Just fun things. It's an adventure. There goes Miss Luna. She's going, no, I wanna go somewhere else. Where are we going, Luna? Oh, are you gonna do another love dive? Yep, she did it again. Yeah, because you just need to be loved. You just like that? Is that just your favorite thing? Maybe if I was a black cat, that's what I'd like. Whoops, let's go. Here we go. On the trail with the cat. Ah, doing cat-like things. No, Luna, I've had enough. Today I think I'm gonna head back in, okay? Hey, I was just laying there today. Yeah, I was. There you go. There you go, girl. We have fun, huh? Miss Luna and I. Good girl. Good girl. Well, this is a good time to say good night, aloha to everybody. Remember to subscribe, follow, leave comments. Love them all. Mahalo.